Hi, my name is Emily Schmidt. I'm a licensed professional clinical counselor operating out of our Newport and Burnsville offices. My general populations, I work mostly with adults. I specifically enjoy working with men between the ages of 30 and 60. I work with women of all ages, and I also enjoy working with teenagers. My areas of specialization, I like to say that I work from a trauma-informed lens. I work a lot with high anxiety, stages of life transition, like say you've had a job change or you've recently moved here. It can cause a lot of stress and a lot of pain and a lot of need to process. That tends to be a lot of what I like to treat. I also am EMDR trained and DBT trained, so I really enjoy doing skills-based work as well. EMDR stands for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. It is one of the most empirically supported and actually pretty quick way of recovering from traumatic experiences. What we do is we work on targeting your beliefs about yourself that have happened around events that were traumatizing for you and help you overcome them. It can be really scary, it can be overwhelming, but you are in total control. You and your therapist communicate every single step of the way. It's meant to be about you feeling empowered and strength to walk through your trauma. You can talk about your trauma for years and years and years, but EMDR helps you move through what your body needs to recover, not just what your mind needs to recover. So it kind of weaves in both perspectives. So I'm trained in a form of therapy called DBT, which stands for dialectical behavioral therapy. Essentially what this would look like is on an individual basis, it's just me teaching you coping skills. No one is handed a manual the moment we're born on how to deal with stress. How do I ask for a raise? Like, what are emotions, right? Like nobody hands us a manual on how to do that. And DBT is a really helpful way to help us teach really practical skills. I also have an emphasis in working with sexual addiction, so people who are recovering from pornography addictions, and I'm also working with women who have postpartum symptoms. My current hobbies are sitting at home, hiding from the world because of a pandemic. Just kidding. Mostly my hobbies since the pandemic has started is I've really enjoyed taking back up knitting. I enjoy any way I can get outside to go for a walk with my dog. I have a very energetic Australian Shepherd. A unique hobby that I have had is I used to do Olympic weightlifting competitively. Although I haven't been doing it as much competitively, I still enjoy it as a hobby, lifting weights and getting stronger and exercising. 5 words that would describe me. I think I'm pretty quirky. So I love humor. I think I'm fairly creative. I'm also pretty blunt and just say it as it is type person. There's a lot more than 5 words. You'll also learn that I use a lot of words, so I would say I am descriptive and compassionate. If you're looking for a therapist who is happy to journey alongside of you through all of the challenges and the deep waters that life has to offer, I would love to work with you. I tend to be pretty straightforward with my clients, but also love to use a lot of humor and present-based compassion. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please give us a call and I'd love to meet you.